Hey everyone! On the Weller channel today, I'll show you how to download and install SQL Server on Windows 11. Open your browser and type in SQL Server. Go to the official Microsoft website, click on SQL Server Express, hit Download Now, then click Download. Open the exe file that we just downloaded. Here we click on Basic. Click Accept, and then click Install. Next, we'll need SSMS, so let's download it. That's Management Studio. Go to the official site and click Download. Click Download, and I'll let it run for now. Let's wait for the server to finish installing. Done. The installation is complete. As you can see, it's offering to install Management Studio, but since we already downloaded it, we don't need to do that. Hit Connect, close this, click Yes, go back, and install Management Studio. Click Yes. And now the installation is running. It's already installed on my machine, but I'm installing it again for you. Select the features you need and click Install. And that's it. Installation is complete. After this, it's recommended to restart Windows, so let's do that. Now let's launch Management Studio. You can close this, you can sign into an account, or if you don't want to, just skip it and use CQL without signing in. And that's it. This was Weller. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.